Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Doon Gibbs. It's a pleasure to welcome you to the first virtual Department of Energy InnovationXLab Summit. I'm with you today at the Quantum Information Science and Technology Summit in my role as Director of Brookhaven National Lab, one of 17 DOE national laboratories in the United States. We're honored to be hosting this event today and tomorrow on behalf of the DOE's Office of Technology Transfer. We're also pleased by the large audience, over 1,300 registered participants. Welcome all. The department's InnovationXLabs are intended to be a showcase of the remarkable assets and capabilities of its national laboratories. These summits facilitate a two-way exchange of information and ideas among industry, universities, investors, end-use customers, and lab innovators and experts. This Quantum Information Science and Technology Summit will bring together a mix of representatives from government, universities, computing, technology, energy, transportation, and life and material sciences to explore the state-of-the-art in quantum science and technology and to share their perspectives in this rapidly evolving field. I thank Secretary of Energy Dan Brillouet and DOE Undersecretary Paul DeBar for their leadership and foresight in this area and on behalf of the DOE, and for their continuing commitment to the DOE national laboratories. Brookhaven and the other national labs play a key role serving as resources to the private sector, to universities, startups, and others in emerging fields that may prove critical to our future economy. Just last month, DOE announced that it would fund 5 national lab-led quantum research centers, part of a $1 billion quantum AI effort across several government agencies. That announcement built on the recent release of a quantum roadmap for the United States that charts our future course for investment and innovation. These key partnerships, plans, and investments are crucial to ensuring our national leadership in quantum technology going forward. Specifically, the National QIST Research Centers constitute the first large-scale QUIST effort that crosses the technical breadth of the Office of Science. The aim of the centers, coupled with DOE's core research portfolio, is to create and to steward the ecosystem needed to foster and facilitate advancement of QUIST, with major anticipated impact on national security, economic competitiveness, and America's continued leadership in science. Each QUIST center incorporates a collaborative research team spanning multiple scientific and engineering disciplines and multiple institutions. In addition, each QUIST center integrates the science and technology innovation chain to accelerate progress in QUIST research and development, to facilitate technology transfer, and to build the quantum workforce of the future. At Brookhaven, we're leading one of the 5 DOE centers, C2QA, the Co-Design Center for Quantum Advantage. The other centers are QNext, Next Generation of Quantum Science and Engineering, at Argonne; SQMS, Superconducting Quantum Materials and Systems Center at Fermilab; QSA, Quantum Systems Accelerator at Lawrence Berkeley Lab; QSC, Quantum Science Center at Oak Ridge National Lab. We have a stimulating 2 days ahead of us with an exciting lineup of speakers from DOE, academia, and industry, the people who are among those leading the quantum effort for the country. And we're honored to welcome our keynote speakers, Secretary of Energy Dan Brillouet, Undersecretary for Science Paul DeBar, Dario Gil, Director of IBM Research, and Kelvin Drogemeyer, Director of OSTP. The topics are both timely and compelling, from building the U.S. quantum economy to quantum computing infrastructure, networking and communication, to workforce development. We'll also drill down on quantum materials R&D and quantum computing software, architecture, and simulation. Notwithstanding this full agenda, I encourage all participants to visit the virtual exhibit area to learn more about the national labs, DOE centers, and academic and industrial organizations participating in this effort and their capabilities in quantum information science and technology. These booths will be open through Friday to give you ample time to learn and chat with exhibitors about their initiatives. Thanks to all those who invested their time and expertise in developing this program, and thank all of you for coming. Have a great 2 days. Stay safe.